Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Webull account step by step. So first thing, open your Webull app and then log in into your account. After that, make sure you are on the home screen. At the top, tap on transfers, then select transfer money. Now you need to switch the direction of the transfer. Tap the up and down arrow so your Webull account is on the top from and your bank account is at the bottom too. Next, choose your bank account. If you haven't added one yet, you will need to link it first. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. You will also see how much is available to withdraw, since some funds may still be processing. After that, tap Review. Double check everything, the amount, your account details, and any fees. If everything looks good, tap Submit. You will receive a verification code on your phone. Enter it to confirm the withdrawal. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.